I'd like to inform all of you that at 3:11 this afternoon, our office in Ortiga Center received a copy of the order of Judge Andres Bartolome Soriano in the case of People of the Philippines versus Captain Mino Maestrecampo et al. Accused criminal case number 03-2784. It's a 3-page order, but I will only read to you the dispositive portion. Wherefore, premises considered, the resolution of the very urgent ex parte motion for the issuance of whole departure order, HDO, and alias warrant of arrest against Antonio F. Trillanes IV is deferred. Accordingly, without necessarily reopening the case and or giving due course to the prosecution's urgent ex parte omnibus motion, and pursuant to the leeway given by the Supreme Court in its resolution dated September 11, 2018, set this case for reception of the parties' evidence on October 5, 2018 at 9 in the morning. Read the following factual issues. Number 1, whether or not Trillanes filed the requisite application for amnesty under Proclamation Number 75 before he was granted amnesty in 2011. Number 2, whether or not there was an admission of guilt on his part at the time he applied for and was granted amnesty. The process server of this court is directed to personally serve a copy of this order to the parties and counsel. So ordered, September 28, 2011, City of Makati, Andres Bartolome Soriano, presiding judge. There will be no resolution yet on the motion of the DOJ. The court has set a hearing on October 5 to allow the parties to present their respective evidence.
So would you consider it as a temporary reprieve?
Well, it certainly is gratifying that the honorable judge has chosen to hear the parties and allow them to present their evidence and not to rule on the motion yet. Because after all, this is a factual issue and it will require the presentation of evidence. I wouldn't call it a victory. I would say that this is in compliance with the rule of law. And at least there was no rush to grant an order a motion which would overturn decades of jurisprudence in our country. Temporary sigh of relief, yes.